Hey y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's go inside Old Navy. I feel like at this point we come here once a month, but I have a good reason this time. I have been seeing all over my For You page on TikTok people finding the cutest like fall transition things from their Old Navy. Now I will say there is a viral jacket making the rounds as well, and someone mentioned yesterday, I think it was, that the barn jacket from Old Navy is similar to the viral one. I couldn't tell you what brand the viral one is, but I'll put a picture here of the barn jacket from Old Navy. I tried on one similar at a store called Orvis, I think that's how you pronounce it, when we were in Destin a couple weeks ago at this point. Last week? Anyway, when we were in Destin, they had one. However, it was in the men's section, and I felt like the fit was just a little bit off. Like, it's meant to be oversized, that's the trend, but I felt like the shoulders were a little bit wide, and I kind of already have wide shoulders. Also, I think it was like 200 bucks, so it was a little bit pricey. So, we're gonna see if they do have the barn jacket inside Old Navy. Do I need a jacket? No. It is 97 degrees today. You're watching this weekend, so it's the same week that you're watching it. It will probably be in the 70s and 80s for the rest of the year. I always say it doesn't really get that cold where I live, and several years I've had to eat my words. But for me, I just remember usually it's cold around Mardi Gras, which is February, like end of January, early February. But other than that, it's not, it might be crisp and a little bit cool, but it's not really cold. So I don't need it. But if it's like a lightweight jacket, then maybe we'll do it. It's like a canvas feel. That's how it looks anyways. Also, we are going strictly fall transition pieces inside this store. I don't need summer things. I'm not going anywhere where I need anything summery. Do not let me do it, okay? I see some little cardigans already in the window. Here's me, by the way. Also jeans. Old Navy jeans aren't really for me. 30% off these graphic sweatshirts. That's cute. Brooklyn. And then this white one says Taking It Easy Club. Okay, that's really, okay, I don't need a sweatshirt, but that's cute. This is very cute. This could easily be a fall transition piece. And they have more prints. If you wanted a solid color, that is very pretty. They also have this faux leather one. Here it is, y'all. I didn't even see it. I'm literally standing here trying to figure out what size skirt I think I need. I got a pair of pants. I mean, I have all kind of stuff. And this is it. It's right here. $59.99. It does feel like a lighter weight. When I say that, I mean it's not lined. I like this corduroy collar. This color's cute. As per usual, we're at the club at the Old Navy, so just, I'm sorry for that in the background. I'm trying to pick a sweater for this. Initially, I was going to go with the hunter green, but that yellow is kind of pretty. I don't know, the green screams fall. The cream? Okay, wait, that could be pretty too. We're going with the white one. I just like this cream color a little bit better. Also, I know when I walked in, I said jeans weren't for me. These are the only style that I like, and I find they run a little bit generous. Like, I could probably go for a 16. Maybe at first they might feel tight, but they stretch definitely throughout the day. So if you're looking for a good pair, that's what they look like on the model. 29 bucks. I kind of want to try some of these. Like, look how cute it is with the graphic sweatshirt. Sneakers. I think boots are cute with rolled pants like that. Hip is relaxed, mid-rise, medium stretch. Also 29 bucks. These are the pants I see a lot of people try on TikTok, like I mentioned. They're 50% off. They're very cute. This style usually doesn't do it for me, but we are gonna take a pair in. All right, first outfit. The skirt is too small. I grabbed it in a size extra large, and I definitely should have gotten the extra large. It's also very short, okay? I'm tall, but I'm not that tall. Sweater is in a size extra large. It's very soft. It is slightly see-through, but I think that's just because it's this color. But good choice picking the white with this skirt. I think that was the right move. Overall, it could be cute. The skirt is just too small. Okay, wait, I kind of like this. These are those viral pants. I pulled the blue ones because I pulled this graphic sweatshirt and I wanted to see if I could match it. The Golden State Wellness Collective. This is so nice. Pants are in a size 20. They're a little bit roomy. These are cute. The length is a tad bit short. I guess not, the longer that I look at it. These are like painter's pants. They also came in, you saw the other colors. What I didn't show you was there was like a burnt orange color, but it's kind of cute with the sweatshirt tucked in right there. I have a ton of sweatshirts at home, so I don't need any, but I just wanted to pull one like this. Wait a minute. I kind of like these pants. What did it say? 50% off? $44.99, so 45 bucks. I might want these pants. These are a good, like, easy transition pant. Okay, I like them. Okay, I hope y'all can hear me. Should I be yelling at this point? All right, these pants are called the Billy pants. These are in a size extra large. I loved this like burgundy wine color. They're elastic drawstring in the waist with pockets. They have slight pleating here. They're cropped. I would say a more like tapered versus straight at the bottom. These could 1000% be work appropriate pants. Like they're so comfortable. I paired it with this boat neck top. It's navy and white striped. Here's what it looks like untucked. It's got a little slit on the side. Here, let me show you full. You get that little string off. This is so cute. Like I want this whole outfit. Do I like this more than the blue pants? Y'all know I love pants just like this. I don't own any in this like nicer material. We might go for these pants. Do we like the shirt too? All right, last outfit, and then I will put the viral jacket on. This, I'm pretty sure is in a size extra, extra large. I liked the tones of it. These are the Wow Boyfriend jeans in a size 18. I didn't really love the wash, okay? But this was the size that I needed, and this is the wash that had the size I needed. It's okay. Like I like this look. I like the one-sided tug. I know a good majority of people don't. I like it. I also like it with these shoes like that I wore in here. I think that's a cute look. I don't love it. You know, honestly, I thought this would be my favorite just because this style is something I would typically go for. This is so cute. It fits normal. So it's not oversized like I mentioned, but it's a good feel for where I live. Like it's not super heavy. You can also unsnap the little wrists. It zips and snaps. Hold on, let me see if I can snap it. Here's what it looks like zipped. I didn't snap it, but I did zip it. So I would definitely need a size up. I'd say probably the extra, extra large. But this is the viral jacket, in case you're wondering. Scan these like wine colored pants. They are not on sale, okay? These I think said 50% off. 22 bucks. These are the other colors of those painter style pants. This cream color, the burnt orange, and then y'all saw these two colors. I think I'm gonna grab these in one size smaller. Will I regret it? I don't know. We'll try them on when we get home. So they have this color in my size. I do have cargos though that are green already. So watch them not, watch them not have the one size that I want. Straight full length high rise for 22 bucks. We're gonna do it. It's actually the next day. I wanted to see if I could style these blue pants. I did end up buying them. I already own, like I mentioned in the video you just watched, a ton of graphic sweatshirts, t-shirts. We already know this. So I didn't buy anything additional, but in my head, I thought that this could be the look. I own these pink sneakers from Walmart, and then I have this baby pink, like breast cancer awareness sweatshirt from, I think I bought it from Fabletics. I'm not a Fabletics member. I just went on their website and bought it because I liked it. If you didn't know, my mom beat breast cancer back in 2020, so I liked it. All right, this is the move. I'm glad I got the smaller size in the pants. They are slightly shorter. All right, so that's it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching this video. I will link everything down below for you. Do I need the barn jacket? Let me know. Not in the size I tried on. That one was too small, but I can order it.